So the testing for the end of this phase. So counter movement jump went well. The single forward hop and the triple forward hop went well, had some good numbers. There was only 10 to 12% difference, so just below the 10% threshold that I was looking at. For vertical hop, I was looking at a 27% difference. Vertical hop was looking for less than 20% difference, so I was pretty happy with 18% at this stage. The only other one that was a bit of an issue was the quads asymmetry, which was at 27%, and I was looking for this to be less than 20%. But the numbers continued to get better and better, and everything else was coming along really well. IKDC was up at 78, which is a really good score for this point in time. I was generally feeling good. I was gaining confidence, running it over 4 kilometers. So overall, I was happy with how things were going, looking at, the harder hops to be within 20%, the horizontal hops to be within 10%, and then strength numbers to be within 20% of the other side, and above 3 Newton meters per kilogram as our benchmark level for the quad.